I started out as a marine engineer in 1996. From there, I moved to the factories as an industrial maintenance technician. Working in factories, I quickly noticed that trying to improve and develop things internally was somehow difficult. We're always a bit against the flow. One thing led to another, and I went back to university to become a professional engineer, and I did research and development in reliability and industrial maintenance, specializing in predictive maintenance. While doing these research work, I started teaching. I've always worked as a full-time employee and taught part-time. As a salaried employee, I've always been driven by this desire to make things evolve and this feeling of going against the flow, and I've always taken great pleasure in sharing my knowledge and teaching, particularly in continuing education for adults and professional workers. These people are often curious, eager to evolve and explore new approaches. That is how, a few years ago, I finally decided to launch my own business.
Percentam's approach is really all about performance optimization.
Exactly. In fact,